Tell is a storytelling app for the whole family to enjoy. Here's a quick tutorial video to get you started using and navigating the app. When you get into the app, you'll be prompted to get started, to create an account, or sign in if you already have one. In this case, I'll choose to create a new account with my email address, name, and password. By default, the app gives me a profile image, but I can easily change that by tapping Edit. Now let's head on into the app. So let's discover the Tell app, where you can record stories into your phone. When you load the app for the first time, you'll land on the Narrate section of the app, where you can choose a story to record. Notice as there's two sections to the app, Narrate section, a Listen section, and a Profile section. So in the Narrate section, you can scroll sideways in any category to see more stories. You can also scroll down to see all the story categories. We've got Tell Originals that we've actually had illustrated ourselves, but there are tons of classic stories for all ages, like stories by Brothers Grimm, Asbjørnsen and Moe, Beatrix Potter, Rudyard Kipling, Oscar Wilde, just to name a few. If you tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen, you'll access your profile section, where you can add your kids' profiles. You can also create circles to share stories easily, and you can manage your subscription and a whole lot of other things. By clicking on the Listen button at the bottom of the screen, you can access the Listen section of the app. This is where you can listen to your stories and also access stories recorded by other users, including our Tell ambassadors. Some fantastic stories to listen to. Let's listen to Thumbelina as an example. I'll click on See More up here at the top to see what it's about, and then I'll click on Listen to hear the story. You can rotate your screen in any direction, as some stories are in landscape and others are in portrait mode. In the next video, I'll show you how to narrate and record a story that you can send to your loved ones. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and also tons of free stories that we'll make available right here on YouTube.